everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I decorated my home for the holiday season. Holidays are very special to me as it is a time for family, friends, and loved ones to fellowship, reminisce, and spend overall quality time with one another. Although I decorate my home throughout the year for each season, the end of the year holidays are most important to me. This video will outline the finished product of my living room, dining room, and kitchen bar area. All of the decor accents featured are from Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, and Hobby Lobby. Some of the decor was actually made by me as a DIY. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a little thumbs up. Also, you can hit the notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload videos. Happy holidays!